Bet you've been stuck in traffic, watching those slick motorcycles zip by like they own the road, right? Well, French company AEO is flipping the script with the Microcar, a tiny four-wheeler that leans like a motorcycle, but packs in the safety and cargo space of a car. This thing can tilt more than 35 into turns, just like a bike. And inside you've got seat belts and a second seat behind the driver motorcycle style. That back seat folds down to give you trunk space when you need it. Doors open vertically. Fancy? And crash boxes front and back handle impacts like a champ. At just 31 inches wide, it's basically a motorcycle size, but way easier to park. The handlebar steering keeps that bike feel, and it can hit a cool 71 miles per hour. Not breaking any speed records, but solid for city cruising. Battery-wise, a fixed pack gives you 124 miles, or swap it out for a 43-mile range battery competitive with mid-range electric motorcycles and some small EVs like the Nissan Leaf or Fiat 500e. You'll need a regular car license to drive it in France, not a motorcycle one, and AEO says it's easy to fix with modular parts at authorized garages. No word yet on pricing or global release, but if you're curious about wild rides, subscribe for more. Also, if you want something small, lightweight, and ready now for under $1,000, check out the Honda Motocompacto, a mini car that folds up like a briefcase. So, what's the verdict? More car or more motorcycle? Drop your thoughts in the comments.